It's literally fire, guys. If this is my last video, I just want to let you guys all know that I'm not gay. And make sure to like and subscribe if I will even make it out alive. The roof is almost falling. Yep. This is a PT1. There's more! There's more! What? Police and bombas there. But they can't do anything but watch it burn. I think their plan is make them burn down and then they just put it all out. Guys, hold on. I'm gonna walk to my friend's shop. Guys, it's causing more. What can such peaceful town turn into this?
高跑嘅喎，裏邊。啊，琴晚這邊播多誒，咪攞多雞邊嚟啦，追我仔兩啲。佢撞落去啦，冇追啊，撞落去啦，冇追啊，仔。
是不是后面还有矿泉水
啊？
喂，你在拍么
？Okay.
啊，你話我老誒。
Bro, it's getting black. I think they are putting out the fires.
刚才那什么声音啊？水啊
Yes.
？Yes 啊。耶。
它关电了啊！
啊，关电了。
下來。
啊，关完电了，先回来了。
你看唔得少吉。
Wait, bro, there is more fire.
啊 I know。
Wait,
哇，又有电，你看那边。
bro, we are cooked.
哇，又有风啊，够力了啊。
Guys, I hope this isn't my last video. I only got 20 subs. I really want to make a face review for you guys. I don't want a face review yet. But if the fire come down, I'll face review. Take my Roblox account if you want. Save a seat for me.
Okay, bye.
Ma, shut the fuck. I hope I won't die. Oh my god. Sexy. I'm sexy and I know it. Bro, why isn't they doing anything?
So cool. You're so cold.
Whoa.
Wait,
what if it rains? I mean, the sky is already like this.
那邊而家有冷啊，嗬，有冷過啊，應該。
有人放煙花。
冇，應該有冷過啦。
很久哦。They could have died already. Even the intruder. Guys, look at this town. This town is so peaceful.
Yeah, 警察骂人。
过，警察叫他们全部走。
警察该骂人。
没。
Sexy lady。
哇，你看這裡大火。
Guys, look at the tree.
那邊先啊，嗰啲啊。
Guys.
而且那个 awning 没有倒下来。
喂，你看那个树那边。
哇，你的电话连那个连纸。
没有事。
他连他的这个下前面